Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can apply the enveloping light effects to your edits in CapCut. So first just import a clip to CapCut and you can just go straight to effect. Now click on the body effect and then just swipe through the category until you find the glowing lines category and just click on that. Then in here just find the enveloping light effect for your clips. Okay, this one's right here. Click on the effect and wait for CapCut to generate the enveloping light effect, and that's it. Here you can also adjust the speed of the effect, the vertical, the size of the light, and also the color. So for example, I want to change it into this colors right here. Now you can just click on a check icon and you are done. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like and smash the subscribe button on there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Bye.